Rivet's doing?
The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Hey, you done picking on the little guys?
Now, the Emperor wants all subjects subjugated.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean you. All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator. All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the Seekerpede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, Kit. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Attention, Sargasso. The Emperor sends his warmest greetings with a subtle hint of condescending derision, especially to Rivet.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
Taking a shot.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He is taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
Rivet! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. Come on, get into it. I hope you don't mind I've watched from a distance. get exhausted from eliminating your allies. I'd see better resisting, to be honest.
Threatening me over holograms. Classy. Instilling fear from a distance is a common tool of oppressors. I have seen it many times in my studies.
I wish he'd come here so I could instill my hammer into his face.
Emperor requires your immediate incarceration, loyal subjects. Our troopers will assist in your compliance. We are happy
The thing about the Lombards is that makes them so persistent. Our counterpart is even more annoying, believe me. What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle seeker bead? Job of mine will be. That's you, Waycombat. And our big expensive plan to store for Zagato. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise.
Surprise! Let's keep after Maynard. That is the last of them.
Let's keep following Maynard toward that seeker peat.
So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough.
It'll be okay. We'll free the seeker peat and the fight will start going our way. It will.
Emperor's love.
That was satisfying.
All right, thingamajigger, here we come.
I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what I imagined.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work! Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battlecruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
Interested in swarming your enemies with black holes of doom? Try the black hole storm. Go ahead, Shug. That is a great deal. I do hate to see you go, Sugar.
Try to use my own syncopede against me? Oh, I do love watching others embarrass themselves. Yes! How could you possibly hope to defeat the barrier? Right. Honestly, I'm rooting for you, Rivet. Now, I want to see how far you can go before I trample you.
Now, I want to see how far you can go. You've got to find out. Sorry to crash the party.
Maybe there's a way to damage its power source.
Good thinking. Let's look around.
This should do the trick.
You there, Rivet? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
What a show! Let's make things a little more interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructo beams. Planetary devastation! Finally!
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Rivet, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
You can try. I'm not gonna let you destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky Syncope.
You got it. Go handle those battle cruisers. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. You're flying like a dream, Trudy.
Yes, thank you for not throwing us off. The generators on the decks of those cruisers should be no problem for Trudy.
Take this and that. But don't forget about this, don't you know?
Now that we have Trudy, I believe we can destroy the other cruisers by blasting the generators on their decks.
You can fly under the cruiser's canopy. Trudy should have a clear shot at the generator. One down. Lots more to go.
Oh, a cruiser has been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah, it just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these. Take that, Emperor Nefarious! Nice hit. Let's keep it up.
Listen at bombs now! I grow tired of waiting. All cruisers increase beam strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken! I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
Trifle thinks she can stop us. Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all. Exterminate all of those flying creatures, too. Obliterate them!
Rivet, the battle cruiser's destructo beam is moments away from breaching the planet's core. You must stop it.
We'll stop it together. Come on, Trudy. did it.
Oh, there they are!
Hey!
Rivet and Kit!
Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Mort, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of them. No, too far. Come on, Rifts, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Hey, Ratchet! Sargasso's safe and sound. Well, mostly. Any good news?
Oh, good. We talked to Quantum and got a bug off of him. Guess who can listen in to the Emperor?
Let's meet at Zerky's. This might be our chance to get ahead of them.